As companies expand across borders and embrace remote work, managing payroll and HR on a global scale has become both an opportunity and a challenge. From juggling international tax compliance to navigating local labor laws, businesses need a smarter, more efficient way to handle their growing global workforce. That's where Papaya Global comes in. Papaya Global is a powerful global workforce management platform that simplifies payroll, HR, and contractor payments in over 160 countries. It provides companies with a centralized system to onboard, manage, and pay talent, whether they're full time employees or independent contractors, without the need for setting up legal entities in each country. In this video, we'll explore the top features that make Papaya Global a standout solution for international teams and explain why it's a smart, scalable option for companies looking to streamline operations worldwide. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the global payroll processing. Papaya Global consolidates payroll processing across multiple countries into a single automated platform. It handles country specific taxes, regulations, and employee benefits, ensuring 100% compliance. This reduces payroll complexity and ensures employees are paid accurately and on time no matter where they are located. Another key feature is the employer of record services. Papaya acts as the legal employer for your global workforce, enabling you to hire in countries where you don't have a local entity. This is especially helpful for fast growing companies entering new markets. This speeds up international hiring and removes the legal and operational barriers to global expansion. Another key feature is the unified workforce management. Whether your team includes full time employees, freelancers, or contractors, Papaya Global brings all worker types into one intuitive dashboard. This provides HR and finance teams with complete visibility and control over the entire workforce in one place. Another key feature is the compliance automation. Papaya stays up to date with global labor laws, tax codes, and employment regulations, automatically adjusting workflows and documentation as laws change. This minimizes legal risks and ensures your company remains compliant across jurisdictions without constant manual updates. Another key feature is the multi currency global payments. Papaya enables cross border payroll payments in over 100 currencies with competitive foreign exchange rates and full transparency. This eliminates the friction and hidden costs of international payments, while improving payroll accuracy and timeliness. Another key feature is the real time analytics and workforce insights. With detailed reporting tools, Papaya delivers actionable insights into payroll costs, headcount trends, and labor distribution by region or department. This supports better strategic planning and budgeting with real time data you can trust. Another key feature is the seamless integrations. Papaya Global integrates with leading HR and accounting platforms like Workday, Bamboo HR, QuickBooks, NetSuite, and more. This enhances productivity by syncing data across systems, reducing errors and manual data entry. So, why is Papaya Global a great choice? Papaya Global is built for modern, globally distributed teams. It eliminates the need to manage multiple vendors or learn the complexities of foreign labor regulations by centralizing everything into a single, easy to use platform. This saves valuable time for HR, finance, and legal departments and ensures your business stays compliant as it scales internationally. Its unified approach to managing payroll, compliance, and onboarding makes it especially valuable for startups and enterprises looking to expand quickly without sacrificing accuracy or control. The platform's automation capabilities, secure payment infrastructure, and real time insights mean you can focus more on growth and less on administration. Another major advantage is the ability to reduce risk. By automating compliance and consolidating worker management, Papaya lowers the chance of costly penalties or errors, making it a smart investment for risk conscious organizations. So, whether you're hiring your first international contractor or managing thousands of employees globally, Papaya Global adapts to your scale and complexity. So basically, Papaya Global is redefining the way companies manage payroll and workforce operations around the world. With its scalable infrastructure, compliance first approach, and ability to support both direct employees and contractors, it empowers businesses to grow without geographic limits. So if you're looking to streamline HR operations, ensure global payroll accuracy, and make international expansion seamless, Papaya Global is the all-in-one solution you've been searching for. So try it today and take the complexity out of global workforce management so you can focus on what matters most, growing your business. So if you need more information about Papaya Global, you can always visit their website. And from here, you'll see a bunch of different information, such as features that I haven't mentioned in this video. And of course, the most important thing is the pricing section. So from here, you can see all of their pricing plans with features that are included. So just feel free to explore and read more about the features that is included in the plans to make sure you have all of your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.